So this is my Azure Machine Learning account. It can't connect to the storage account, so let's fix it. So we go to our storage account that is supposed to be connected to. We go to settings and configuration and check that we are allowed to use the access key to connect. Once this is enabled, it takes up to 30 seconds to take effect. So let's go back and check our Azure Machine Learning. It's still not connected, so let's go to connections and see how it's connected to the storage account. It seems the account key is missing, so let's insert it again. Let's go to the storage account, security, access key, and then copy the access key, paste it. Okay, and let's also do it for the other storage account. Let's go to notebooks and check if we can connect. Let's refresh the browser, F5. And now we are connected to our storage account. Let's go to Azure and see, yeah, it seems fine, it's the same folder.